Ever had that sinking feeling when your dream bike turns into a nightmare? Today on Motor Vibes, we're exposing 7 motorcycles that might look amazing in your garage, but could empty your wallet faster than you can say engine failure. From smoking Harleys to stuttering Yamahas, these are the bikes that mechanics love and riders regret. Number 7. Yamaha VMAX. The Yamaha VMAX is a powerful cruiser that turns heads with its aggressive looks and muscular design. Under its bold exterior sits a massive 1679 cubic centimeter V4 engine, pumping out an incredible 197 horsepower, promising the kind of acceleration that'll make your heart race. But don't let the power fool you. This bike comes with its share of headaches. The fuel pump tends to fail, especially if the bike sits unused for too long, leaving riders stranded with starting problems and sudden stalling. The V-Boost system, meant to give extra power at high speeds, often malfunctions, giving you either too much power when you don't want it or none when you need it most. Priced at $11,500, this bike isn't cheap, and neither is maintaining it. You'll need to service it every 4,000 miles, with major maintenance at 16,000 miles. Fuel economy sits at about 28 miles per gallon, but expect that number to drop if you enjoy using all that power. The complex engine management system means you'll need specialized mechanics and equipment for repairs. Heat is another big issue. The V4 engine gets hot enough to make city riding uncomfortable, and the transmission can get notchy over time, especially if you ride aggressively. If you're considering the VMAX, remember, while its massive power may tempt you, be prepared for a relationship that demands as much attention as it does fuel. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a commitment that requires deep pockets and mechanical sympathy. Number 6. Yamaha FZ9. The Yamaha FZ9 bursts onto the middleweight naked bike scene with aggressive styling and promising performance numbers. Its striking design and sporty stance make it an attention grabber in any parking lot, while its 847 cubic centimeter inline 3-cylinder engine pumps out an impressive 115 horsepower. The engine, though powerful on paper, comes with serious reliability concerns. The biggest issue lies in the cam chain tensioner system, which has a nasty habit of failing without warning. When this happens, you're not just looking at a simple fix, we're talking complete engine rebuild territory. The warning signs are hard to miss. If you hear unusual rattling noises from the engine's upper end, especially during cold starts, trouble is likely brewing. Currently priced around $6,800 in the market, the FZ9 seems like a bargain for its performance potential. However, maintenance requires attention every 4,000 miles, with major service needed at 16,000-mile intervals. Fuel efficiency hovers around 45 miles per gallon during normal riding, but expect that number to drop when you're enjoying the bike's full power. The clutch system tends to give up under stress, with baskets and plates prone to cracking, particularly during aggressive riding. Even the high-tech ride-by-wire throttle system can be jerky and unpredictable, making smooth riding in urban environments a challenge. If you're eyeing the FZ9, remember, that attractive price tag might just be the beginning of your expenses. While it offers thrilling performance when everything works right, be prepared for some potentially expensive surprises down the road. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Softail Breakout. The 2018 Softail Breakout is Harley-Davidson's bold take on the cruiser bike, blending classic styling with modern performance. It's a striking machine, built to turn heads wherever it goes. At its core is the Milwaukee 8114 engine, a powerful 1,868 cubic centimeter unit producing 119 foot-pounds of torque. However, it faces challenges like oil sumping issues, where oil collects in the crankcase, causing excessive consumption and potential damage. Cold starts below 50 degrees Fahrenheit can also be tricky due to thick oil and battery strain. Priced at $19,500, it's a premium choice for cruiser enthusiasts, but comes with possible maintenance costs. The 6-speed transmission is smooth, but may develop roughness without regular servicing. Its handling is affected by the wide 240mm rear tire, making cornering tougher, while suspension is decent, but lacks advanced features. Fuel efficiency is around 43 miles per gallon, though it can vary. Heat management is another drawback, especially in traffic, making hot weather rides uncomfortable. Regular maintenance is required every 5,000 miles, with major services at 15,000 miles. If you're after a bold and stylish cruiser, the Softail Breakout delivers, but make sure you're ready for the maintenance it demands. Number 4. Indian Scout 60. The 2020 Indian Scout 60 is a modern take on classic American cruiser design, combining timeless style with contemporary performance. It's a mid-size cruiser perfect for both new and seasoned riders. Powering the Scout 60 is a 999 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, delivering 78 horsepower through a 5-speed transmission. However, it faces key issues, especially with its sensitive electrical system. A problematic 15A chassis circuit breaker makes the bike prone to electrical shutdowns when exposed to moisture, even during routine washing. This can leave riders stranded with no power or instrument functionality. Priced at around $13,800, it's positioned as a premium entry-level cruiser. Regular maintenance is needed every 4,000 miles, with major services at 12,000 miles. However, the known electrical challenges could lead to additional repair costs. The engine runs lean from the factory, causing inconsistent throttle response and occasional stalling at low speeds, which can frustrate riders. Fuel efficiency averages a decent 54 miles per gallon, but the electrical system's complexity and its vulnerability to water demand extra care. Troubleshooting electrical faults can also be time-consuming due to issues with its onboard diagnostic systems. If you're drawn to its heritage-inspired design and ride feel, the Indian Scout 60 is a great option, but be ready for potential electrical fixes along the way. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Street 750. The 2018 Street 750 is Harley-Davidson's entry into the urban riding scene, designed for city commuters and newer riders with its compact and modern style. Powered by a liquid-cooled 750cc Revolution X engine, it offers smooth performance but suffers from major heat management issues. Riders often feel intense heat on their legs during city rides, which isn't just uncomfortable, but can also cause long-term engine wear. Priced at around $7,900, it's one of the more affordable Harley options, but hidden costs from technical problems can add up. Maintenance is required every 5,000 miles, with major servicing at 15,000 miles. However, common issues with the bike's wiring harness lead to electrical problems, including power losses and fluctuating oil pressure warnings. Fuel efficiency averages 47 miles per gallon, but the 6-speed transmission can develop rough shifting over time, especially in lower gears. Additionally, its compact design makes even simple maintenance tasks more time-consuming and expensive. If you're looking for an urban-friendly Harley, the Street 750 has potential, but its heat, electrical, and maintenance challenges are worth considering before investing. Number 2. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 embodies classic middleweight cruiser design, offering traditional styling and rider-friendly ergonomics. It caters to both new and experienced riders looking for a manageable cruising experience. At its heart is a 903 cubic centimeter engine, but it comes with notable challenges. The fuel pump assembly is prone to premature failure, leading to sudden power loss or stalling, especially on highways. Additionally, a ticking noise at idle, commonly dismissed as normal, can leave riders uneasy. With a price around $6,200, the Vulcan 900 is an affordable option in the cruiser market. However, potential costs for fuel system repairs should be considered. Maintenance is required every 4,000 miles, with major servicing at 12,000 miles. The bike's highway performance is limited, as it struggles to maintain power above 65 miles per hour, particularly with a passenger. Fuel efficiency averages about 47 miles per gallon, making it economical. But the bike's layout can complicate access for maintenance tasks. Addressing the fuel pump issue proactively can help avoid unexpected breakdowns. If you're drawn to its classic looks and comfort, the Vulcan 900 is a solid choice, but be prepared for potential fuel system upkeep. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Street Glide. The 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Glide is the ultimate touring motorcycle, combining comfort, performance, and style with its iconic Milwaukee 8 engine. Designed for long-distance riders, it's the pinnacle of Harley's touring lineup. However, the Milwaukee 8 engine comes with its challenges. The most critical issue is oil sumping, where oil pools in the crankcase instead of returning to the tank, causing excessive oil consumption, smoke on startup, and potential engine wear. Additionally, the bike struggles with overheating in heavy traffic or hot conditions, which not only affects rider comfort but can damage internal components if left unchecked. Priced at a premium $21,500, the Street Glide is an investment in luxury touring. Maintenance is required every 5,000 miles, with major servicing at 15,000 miles. But resolving key issues often demands expert attention, adding to ownership costs. Fuel efficiency averages 41 miles per gallon, though overheating can reduce performance. The engine's 111 foot-pounds of torque shines for power delivery, but is hampered by heat management concerns. If you want top-of-the-line touring comfort and style, the Street Glide delivers, but be ready to tackle its oil and heat-related challenges with proper care. That concludes our in-depth technical analysis of these 7 motorcycles with notable engine issues. Remember, making an informed decision is crucial when investing in a motorcycle. Thanks for watching Motor Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more detailed motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.